Hi, today we're going to go ahead and get started with the tinner's hammer. This is the hammer head. I've already modeled it. I want to show you really quickly what the processes are going to be to manufacture this and also design it. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select the play button right down here in the timeline. So we can see all the steps to design this in 3D modeling. So I'm going to play and I'm actually going to go back. I'm going to turn on sketch and do it one more time. So you can kind of see this is the sketch we're going to use. And I'm going to play again. And so we're going to make a sketch, we're going to make an extrude, and we're going to make a hole. That's everything we're going to do today. We're going to be working off of, I'm just going to close out of this project here. And we're going to use this drawing here. I'm going to try and close this up, this browser tree. So our hammer head is going to be 4.75 long, 0.9 tall, and 0.9 deep. So we're going to start off with a rectangle, and then from there we're going to go 0.38 inches up and 2.75 inches back from the right to the left. And we're going to make a diagonal line at 15 degrees, about 15 degrees. It's not exact. I think it's 14.71. And then we're going to extrude it, and then we're going to make the hole on the bottom side. So let's take a look at this. Pop back up. When you open up Fusion, you should have new design. First thing you're going to do is hit save, tinner, hammer, head, example, or please put your name in here. And we're going to go to get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to create. I'm going to select create sketch, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the rectangle tool. Select rectangle, and for this I'm just going to draw from the origin. I'm going to select the origin right there. We'll draw it back, and in order to put the exact dimension in, I can move it to 4.75 about, or I could type in on the keypad 4.75. Now it's got to be 0.9 tall. So I hit the tab key. The tab key is two keys below escape in the top left corner. It says TAB is tab. It's got arrows pointing like both ways. You select that, type in 0.9, and then you can select enter. Or you can tap, if you keep hitting tab, it cycles between the two dimensions, as you can see it toggling. And we're going to select enter once you have it set. I just select the enter key. Now you're going to see that the lines are all black because I started at the origin and I dragged across. If you did something wrong, you hit Control Z and it will undo what you did. If you are happy with what you did, you can hit redo and bring it back. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make 2 points. 1 point here and 1 point back here about. Now, I just went to create, selected point, and put them right on to the lines. One on the left side, one on the right side. That's where I'm going to put my diagonal line. But before I do that, I need to dimension them. And if we see it's 2.75 back is the horizontal dimension. So to dimension, you can select the letter D on the keyboard, which is in between S and F in the middle row, or you can select sketch dimension. And to make a sketch dimension, to dimension something, we left click 3 times. So the first click is going to be the point, the black point. The second click is going to be this corner. And then I need to move the mouse up. I'm just clicking each time, letting go, click and let go, click and let go. And the third one, I'm just going to move the mouse up. I'm going to click again. I'm not dragging the mouse. I'm not left clicking and holding. I'm just tapping and letting go. So 2.75. So again, over here, I'm going to select the dot, select. I'm literally just left clicking once, move the mouse away. I'm going to left click again by literally just left clicking, tapping the mouse, left click once, and tap again out there to the right, to the left, 7.38. Now I have those two dimensions. I can just make a diagonal line. So I'm going to go to the line tool and go from point to point. Hit finish sketch. Now I'm going to go ahead and select create and extrude. And I'm going to move it back 0.9 inches. Computer kind of froze here. you could type in 0.9 and select OK. Now we have our sketch, we have our extrude. Now we're going to go ahead and select the save key. We're going to flip it over to the bottom side. We're also going to make a hole. We're going to, I think it's under create. Select hole, which is select the word create, select hole, and select the bottom of our page, or bottom of our hammerhead. We got to move this dialog box over. Now the first thing we're going to do is reference. We're going to select our edges. The first edge I'm selecting is right here. And I believe this is 2.0 inches. Let's take a look. 2 inches. The next hole is 0.45, so it's exactly in the middle. Oops. Right click. It's okay if you accidentally confirm something, you just right click on edit feature. And my second hole, reference 2, I hit select. I'm going to select that edge, 0.45. Now I'm going to go ahead and thread it, tapped, and countersink. The first number here is going to be greater than 1.0 inches, so it goes all the way through. The second number up here is going to be greater than 0.45. I think I did 0.6. Yep, 0.6 diameter for the countersink. And I got to move this up. And 1/2 13 2B. And I think the rest is 82 degrees looks good, 118 looks good. And I might need to make this a little bigger. I might go 1.2 inches. Just so it totally goes through, the hole totally goes through. And good, select OK. After you have all these numbers in, 1/2 13 2B. If you'd like, you can do model threads right here by selecting this, by scrolling down and selecting model threads. It'll actually cut the threads in. So you actually see the threads. It doesn't matter if you do or don't. And then select OK. Jeez, probably should have selected that. And once you select OK, it'll create the threads for you directly in the center, right where we need them to be. And they're modeled. Go ahead and hit save. And what you're going to do now is you're going to make a screenshot by selecting print screen on the keyboard and submitting that print screen on Google Classroom. Thank you for watching this short video. Hey, what's up? I'm just talking to myself up here. Hey, what's up, Matt? Not much. Good. How you guys doing? Yeah? Hey, what's up, Max? What's up, Jamie? You guys having fun? Thanks for showing me that stuff. I was kind of messing around with it yesterday.